Assalamu alaikum. So today, students, I am going to record the video for for explaining the associative property and distributive property. Okay, so we are left out with these two properties of whole numbers. Okay, these two properties are important. Mainly distributive property, it is very much important. Okay, anyway, so let's see. So we had seen how many properties? Two properties before. Closure property. Okay, closure property is what? In a closed set of whole numbers, any number, two numbers, when you add or multiply, then they belong to the whole number. Okay, that means only under closure property, under addition and and multiplication, it is true. Closure property is true. And commutative property is same, only under addition and multiplication it is true. Okay, so commutative property is what? A, you can take a plus b, two whole numbers a b. If you add them, a plus b, like this will also be equal to b plus a. And two in whole numbers, if you're multiplying, okay, you can take the same as b into a. This will be, both will be equal on the left hand side and the right hand side, same as here. Okay, so let's see now associative property. Okay, so what is associative property? See, basically associative property is your shifting of parenthesis or brackets, you can see. Okay, see here. So here you have a plus b of plus c. Okay, I am basically shifting this parenthesis to the right side towards a plus of b plus c. Okay, so again associative property is true under addition and multiplication. If you go for a minus b minus c, okay, and if you shift the bracket also, this will not be true. Okay, so only under addition and multiplication it will be true. All right, okay, let's see example. All right, if I take a as 1, b as 2 and c as 3, okay, these are all numbers which belongs to whole numbers, isn't it? So let's see for addition. So if I take a as 1 plus and b as 2 plus c is 3, isn't it? So I can write this as just bracket shifting towards 2 and 2 plus 3, isn't it? So basically it is you're giving priority to the bracket numbers to be added first. Okay, so look at this side, left hand side, and simplify this. So 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 3 is how much? 6. So we have got 6 on the left hand side. On the right hand side, you will simplify in which numbers which are in bracket. So 3 plus 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 1, again here it is 6. So on the right hand side, you have got the same number as on the left hand side. Okay, now go for multiplication by taking the same number. Okay, if you take any combination, you can verify this associative property is mainly used for verification. Okay, so you have a into 2 of 3, that is 1 into 2 of 3. This I am shifting the bracket, so it is 1 into 2, 1 into of 2 into 3. So here what is the answer? 2 into 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. 2 3 is 6. Here you have 3 to 1 into 6. So it is how much? It is going to be 6. So right, it is 6 in the left hand side and also on the right hand side. So associative property is true under multiplication and your addition. Okay, same as commutative property and closure property. Alright students, you have this. So I am showing you here a minus b minus c is not equal to a minus b minus c. That is, if you change your shift your parenthesis, obviously value for under your subtraction is going to change. You want to see one example? Okay, let me take a equal to 1, same b equal to 2 and c equal to 3. So 1 minus b is 2 of minus c is 3. This, if I just change the bracket, 1 minus of b minus c is 3. Okay, so in the bracket, what would now simplify on the left hand side. Okay, so tell me what is the value of this. So 1 minus 2, it is minus 1. It is coming in terms of minus. Okay, and this is minus 3. Okay, this will be equal to minus 4 on the left hand side. Since you don't know about this, I just want to show you that this will not be true. Okay, you'll get integer number. So minus 4, this is belonging to integer number. So obviously your basic operation, that is commutative property, is it itself is not defined. Okay, it's not true for subtraction. Then obviously your associative property is not defined under subtraction and multiplication, division. Okay, so on this side, but just for your this thing, this side what will happen is 1 minus 3 2 minus 3 minus 3 will be minus 1. Okay, so now this will become plus 1 and this is 2. So minus 4 you will get on the left hand side and on the right hand side 2. So this is not equal. Okay, so anyway, but actually when you say it is not defined, okay, associative property under subtraction and division for the whole numbers, it is not defined. Okay students, okay, now let me go to your last property of the whole numbers which you are going to see. It is distributive property, and which is very important property for the simplification, for any kind of numbers or for proving is given. Okay, so this is, see, it is said to be as multiplication over addition. Okay, multiplication over addition. So this is how you write, and you will open the bracket. We say that you are opening this bracket, okay, and multiplying. So this will be, instead of AB, I will take it properly, like, see, you are opening this bracket. Okay, so A is A cross B plus A cross C. This will become like this. This is distributive property. Okay, so what we are doing, we are distributing this this number with multiplication in the bracket with addition sign. Okay, multiplication over addition. So example we have took here as A as 2, B as 3 and C as 4. Okay, and see, if you take this according to your, I will write this according to your distributive property, I can open this bracket, okay, and write. So 2 you are multiplying with 3, okay, and again 2 you are multiplying with 4. In between, addition sign will remain the same. So 2 multiplied by 3 plus 2 multiplied by 4. Okay, so let me first calculate on this side. So you have 2 multiplied by 3 plus 4 is how much? 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm getting 14 on the left hand side. Okay, let me check on the right hand side now. This is 3 to 6 plus 4 to 8. How much? 8 plus 6 is 14. So on RHS side also it is 14. On the left hand side also it is 14. Okay, so distributive property is, see, why do you want, you can just go for direct simplification, right? Sometimes you, why do you want to use this distributive property? We will see one example further. Okay, but I want to show you one more thing. See, this if you have minus sign in between this, also you can go for simplification as okay, this is 3 multiplied by 4 minus 2. Okay, so by using this distributive property, how I can go? 3 cross 4. Okay, 3 cross 4 minus 3 cross 2. Okay, simplify here till let's check whether it is true or not. So 3 minus 2 is how much? 4 minus 2 is how much? 2. So here you have 6 on the left hand side. On the right hand side you have 4 3s 12. Okay, and this has 3 to 6. So 12 minus 6 is how much? 6. This is in RHS side, so again it is equal. Okay, so distributive property, if you have minus sign also, this, if you are getting any equation or problem of this type, you are going to open the bracket and write in this manner. Okay, this is how you follow. Okay, it can be here minus sign also. All right, this is called as multiplication over addition. Okay, so how exactly does this distributive property makes your calculation easy? Let's see one example. Okay, we have this number. Okay, 728 is multiplied by with 101. Okay, so normally what you will do, you will go for multiplication like this: 728 multiplied by 101. Okay, let me go for multiplication now. It is 8 to 7. Now multiply with 0. So how much? This will be 0 0 0. Now again I need to multiply it with 1. So this will be 8 to 7. Right, now I add the numbers: 8 to 7 7 14 15 2 3. This, yeah, we got 7 3 5 2 8. Okay, this is normally this is how you go, right? Now I can simplify my multiplication. Instead of going like this, I will do very easy method by using your distributive property. Okay, what I will do is, I will write this as 728. Okay, into, I'll take this 101 as 100 plus 1. Okay, so now go for your distributive property. This will give you 728 into 100 plus 720 into 100 plus 720 into 1. So 728, sorry, into 1. Isn't it? This is very easy for you to multiply. So this will give you 728 100. That means it is 72,800 plus, this is also very easy for you to multiply. It is 728. So when you add these two, you will get your answer very easily. Instead of going for long lengthy multiplication, if you go directly like this, just by taking the distributive property under use, you can simplify very easily in just some very less time. 72800, if you add 728 8 to 7, 7, 14, 15, 2, 3, 7. See, after verification I got the same. So by doing like this, I got this number which is same. I can verify it with the number when I have multiplied it with directly. Isn't it both are same? So this proves that any number if of the such type is there, you can use your distributive property to make that calculation very easy, isn't it? Here multiplying with 100, it's becoming easy for me, and multiplying with 1 is also easy for me, and addition is better, right? Okay, so this is how you use your distributive property. So we are going to do many problems in our live class, inshallah, so that you'll become perfect with all these properties and with the problem, how to use them in your problem. Okay, so maybe I will take some examples in the next video, if possible. That is it. You need to study in this chapter. Okay, these are the basic properties and the total topics what we have covered. Okay, so this is your total second unit, whole numbers. All right, we need to do your exercise problems that we can do in our class. Okay, until we meet again, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.